the world between the world wars. You know, children, from the classes onwards, you studied about that the world in the world there are two world wars are there took place. In 8th standard, you studied there is the first world war was began from 1914 and ended in the 1918. And then second world war is began in 1939 and 1945. Like two world wars are there here is took place. Two world wars are here is took place. But what are the causes are there here is for the outbreak of world war? See, in the society, any groups are any fault is there here is. In that fault we can see there is a two groups are there. Maybe that is the fault is to be took place for the ideological differences, opinion differences, or some other economic issues or political issues. We can see the faults in the society. Okay. Meanwhile, here is also in the world there is a two wars are to be taken place, World War I and World War II. So, however, what are the causes for the outbreak of this is a World War I and World War II? Before we are going to learn, what is the first one is 20th century, which is 20th century. So what are that extreme events are there here is? Then Eric Hobsbawm is said this is a centuries to be known as what is the age of extreme. Age of extreme. That means highly events. So earlier such events were not took place here is. Very extraordinary events are to be took place. Then the Eric Hobsbawm was said this is a century as to be age of extreme. So why? What is the reasons are there? Why he was said as a 20th century as a age of extreme means, you see children earlier, so fascism, Nazism, such ideas were not came into existence. But in this is a century, a new ideologies, fascism, Nazism, such a new ideologies are so started here is. So then we can see this is the 20th century is known as what is the age of extreme. What are the new ideologies are there means fascism and Nazism. Okay, this is the first point is there. And second point, at the same time, so democratic systems, so what is systems are also prevails in this is a strong desire towards the democratic form of government was also here is started. So second point that is. And the next one, very highly events. What are that means? Wars are to be taken place here is. Earlier also you studied in the 9th standard. Napoleonic wars you studied. And War of Nations you studied. So in that wars there are a few nations were only participated. But here is in this century entire world was involved. Then it is to be said as what is the age of extreme. And literacy levels of the people also here is increased. Literacy levels of the people also here is increased. So earlier literacy is less. The people who studied, the people who can able to read, their percentage is less. But now the percentage is increased in this is 20th century. Then we call this is age of extreme. And even in the medical science also there is a new innovations are there, new discoveries are there in the medicine. That is why it is a centuries to be called what is age of extreme. And one more point is there, children, socialist form of governments were also established. Socialist type of governments were also established. Then, so it is to be called what is age of extreme. Who said this is Eric Hobsbawm was said this is a century is to be known as what is age of extreme. Then, children, in the beginning of 20th century, that means 1901, 1910, like this is the beginning of the 20th century. I think the first decade of 20th century across the world, there are two groups are there here is. What are that two groups means here is, first one is so highly industrialized countries, developed countries, and another group is what is colonized countries. Highly industrialized countries and then what is colonized countries. Highly industrialized countries, developed countries. Industrialized countries means their capital is more. They wanted to sell their goods in the other countries. They wanted raw materials for the production process. Like highly industrialized countries are there. Then second group is colonized countries are there. Colonized countries means which countries were occupied by the developed countries. They are called what is colonized countries. Okay, are you understand? So how many groups are there? Here is two groups are there. So first one what is highly industrialized countries. Second one what is colonized countries. Again this is highly industrialized countries are divided into a two parties are there. What are that two parties means here is so Germany, Austria, Hungary, like these are the countries are so what is formed as a one group. And another group what is Britain, Russia, France, like these are the countries are formed as a another group. See, industrialized countries, but industrialized countries again they are divided into two groups. Why means this group is wanted to so rule over the world, and at the same time this group is also tried to rule over the world because of their greedy resources. They wanted to resources for the production process. At the same time they wanted markets for their production process. That is why so this group and this group were fought against each other and led to the what is the world wars. And so why here is like this the groups are divided here is we studied. They wanted what is the resources, they wanted markets. There's one group with compete with another group. Then there is a eneminess was here is raised between these, and this is the eneminess. This is the so what is hatredness is caused for the outbreak of what is First World War. Understood everyone? Next one. So World War is a really World War. World War was a really World War. How can you say the World War was a really World War means all the nations are here is participated. So on the east, which is the China is there and which is the Japan is there here is, these are the countries are here is participated. And on the west, USA also participated. East to west, all the nations are involved in the theatre of World War I. involved in the theater of World War I. Eastern countries, China, Japan, like these are the countries are also here is participated, and west side, which is the USA is there, that is also here is participated. Except a few island nations, except a few nations, the entire world was involved in the what is the World War I. Then, so really it is a world war or not a world war? Yes, absolutely it is a world war. But what are the causes are there here is for the outbreak of World War I? What are the causes are there for the outbreak of World War I means, first of all, what is aggressive nationalism? What is this is? Aggressive nationalism. See children, nationalism is so somewhat level, no problem is there. Aggressive nationalism, intensive nationalism, too much nationalism is leading to the eneminess and leading to the wars. So at one level, at a satisfactory level, the nationalism has no problem for any country. But aggressive nationalism, too much nationalism is a positive impulse. It is a positive impulse. But which are the countries are here is followed? This is aggressive nationalism means mostly what is Germany and as well as what is Italy. Germany and Italy, these are the two countries are followed this aspect of aggressive nationalism. Even you know children, see in the 9th standard you studied about that, so what is Germany unification and Italian unification. Germany and Italy, the both countries are unified based on the nationalism. Bismarck was roused a national feelings among the Germanians. Bismarck was raised the national feelings among the Germanians. Even in the Italy also, who is Joseph Mazzini is there, Cavour, Garibaldi, like all these, so nationalists are also created a national feelings. Then so unification of Germany achieved, unification of Italy also achieved. That is the concepts you learned in the 9th standard. So this is the nationalism, the feeling of nationalism is a cause for the outbreak of that too. So high, so intense nationalism caused for the outbreak of what is First World War. Which are the countries are here is followed this aspect means Germany and Italy. So before the First World War, even before the Second World War also, these are the two countries are followed a different characteristic ideology, that is what is fascism and Nazism. Fascism and Nazism. Fascism was followed by the Mussolini. Nazism was followed by the Hitler. They wanted to, it is a victory over the world. So they wanted to occupy the weaker nations. Such a type of nationalism, such a type of aggressive nationalism is a cause for the outbreak of so what is the Second World War. Thus, the first reason, the first cause for the outbreak of so what is the World War's aggressive nationalism. And another reason is there here is what is this is another reason means secret alliances. Secret alliances. So what are this is secret alliances are there means, see before the World War I, so these are the nations are here is so aligned with the, joined with the other nations for their security, for their protection. So thus they formed as a alliances with the other countries. See children, here, so Germany unified, you know children. Germany unified. So who unified this is Germany means, so Bismarck, you know children. So Bismarck in the 1870, Bismarck 1870, 71, so unification of the Germany was achieved. So how he was achieved this is the unification means with the three wars, war with Denmark, war with Austria and war with France. Finally, he went to a war with France. So thus here is Germany and France was fought. Germany and France was fought. So France defeated. Germany was got victory. France defeated. Germany was got victory. So afterwards, Germany took two regions from the France. Why means France defeated? What are that two regions means? There is Alsace and Lorraine. Alsace and Lorraine. These are the two places are to be taken place from the France by the Germany because of its victory. So that is why here is France always then onwards trying to recapture these are the Alsace and Lorraine. France always trying, waiting to regain this is the two regions. Why means France industrialization, France industrial development was a totally hindrance, totally stopped. That is why here is France is waiting. Now, so what is Bismarck was thought? What is that thinking? However, France again would be attack on the Germany. That is why he went alliance with the which countries means Italy and Austria. Italy and Austria. So now Germany, Italy and Austria was formed as a group. A secret alliance they were made here is. Why? For their security, for their safety, to solve their problems, they are formed as a one group. Now, when this is a Germany, Italy and Austria was formed as a one group, formed as a secret alliance, that is to be called what is a triple alliance. That is to be called what is triple alliance. So thus here is a triple alliance was formed with the countries of Germany, Italy and what is Austria. And next when this is the Germany, Italy and Austria was formed as a secret alliance, now France is made a alliance with which is France is made a alliance with what is Russia and as well as what is Palestine. Now these are the three countries are formed as a triple entente. These are the countries are formed as a triple entente. Now this is the two groups are wanted to dominate over the world, wanted to rule over the world. They wanted to establish their sway, their authority, their rule over the world. And this group is trying and this is the group is also trying. Then clashes will be arise or not arise. So absolutely the clashes are here is arises. Thus the second cause is there for the outbreak of so First World War. What is means here is a secret alliance. And again the third cause what is here is militarism. What is this is militarism. See children, one group is wanted to dominate the another group. They needed what is the military or not needed military? Needed military. Needed army. That too standing army is essential. Ready to fight, such army is essential. Now, all these 6 nations are spent a lot of money for the preparation of wars. Lot of money for the preparation of wars. Like here is between this is 6 countries, the armament was increased. The weapons, industrial weapons are here is increased. I mean, which are the industries are producing the weapons? Such industries they are established here is. The third reason is there here is what is here militarism. Militarism is one of the cause for the outbreak of First World War. 1880 to 1900 14 they were spent so how many means 132 million francs to 397 million francs they were here is spent for the war preparation. Then this is leading to the two results. What are the results of militarism? What are the results of militarism? See, what are the results of militarism means first result they were so prepared a standing army. They were prepared they recruited a standing army. The second one what is here is military what is weapons they were increased and industries are established. We can see there is a three results are there here is due to this is the what militarism. We can see the first reason what is aggressive nationalism, the second cause is secret alliance, and the third cause what is militarism, and the fourth one is what here is it is the Balkan politics. Balkan politics. You see children, see if you are observed this is a Europe map. If you are observed this is the what is the Europe map, so we can see there is a Balkan peninsula is there. So actually I want to draw this is the Europe map also here is yes what is the Balkan you know Mediterranean Sea is there children. Yes, this is Africa. This is what is Europe. Yes, like this is. You see, children, here is Portugal, Spain, and thereafter France, and to the south of the France, what is Italy, and afterwards one peninsula we are looking here is this is what Balkan. This is what Balkan peninsula. This is. So in the Balkan peninsula, there is a so many small nations are there. These are all the small nations once ruled by the Ottoman Turkish Emperor. So Ottoman Turkish Empire was fall down. After this is, these are all the small nations wanted to try to establish the independent nations. In such a time, which is the Russia is there here is, which is the France is there, even which is the Austria is there here is, all these nations are wanted to gain control over this is the Balkan countries. In this is the Balkan countries, one of the small countries there here is what is Serbia. What is this is Serbia. So now, so in this manner, so Russia, Turkey and Austria, like all this is the countries wanted to gain control over the Balkan countries as well as on the Mediterranean Sea. In this manner, so the Austria was established its control over the Serbia. Austria established its control over the Serbia. Thereafter, so when the Austria is established here is its control over the Serbia, the Serbians are not tolerated. This is the control of Austria. Then in the Serbians, there are some extreme groups are here is formed. These are the extreme groups are always fought for the independence of Serbia. In this manner, so one of the Serbian so killed the Austrian prince. Why means the Pakistan is controlling our India. The Pakistan so dictators are controlling our India. Can we tolerate? No. We will fight against this. Yes. Meanwhile, here is also the Serbians are fought against the control of Austria. So that's here is this is the Balkan politics So fourth one, what is here is Balkan politics. Balkan politics is also one of the cause for the outbreak of First World War, and created a tensions in the Balkan Peninsula, and these are the tensions are cause for the outbreak of what is the First World War. And finally, what is here is the immediate cause. What is the immediate cause? What was the immediate cause for the outbreak of First World War means? You see, the date is here is 28th June 1900. So what is 1914. One of the event is there here is took place. The Serbian who lived in the Bosnia, when the Ferdinand of Austria visiting in the Bosnian country, so Serbian was murdered, assassinated. Prince of Austria, his name is Archduke Franz Ferdinand. Archduke Franz Ferdinand is the Prince of Austria. This prince was assassinated by the Serbian in the Bosnia. Serbian lived in the Bosnia. Why means Serbians are against the Austrian control. That is why when the Austrian prince is visiting in the Bosnia, the Serbian was assassinated along with his wife Sofia. Then Austria, very silent, quiet, no. Austria is asking explanation from the Serbia now. Who is that culprit is there? Who is caused for the assassination? Caught them and punish them. Hand over me within the 48 hours. Like ultimatum will be given or not given? Surely the ultimatum, the order will be given to the Serbia. Like here is, the Austria gave a ultimatum to the Serbia who are caused for this assassination, and caught them, punish them, hand over them to our country. Like an ultimatum was given here is, what is the answer is given by the Serbia? That is the answer. That is a response is not satisfied with the Austria. Then what happened here is Austria declared a war in the next month, 28th July 1914. 28th July 1914. The Austria was declared war on Serbia. Immediate cause. Like here is children's. When the Austria was declared a war on Serbia, you see children's, Austria in which group is there? Here is Germany, Italy, and like this is the group. Then immediately, Austria is supported by the Germany or not supported by the Germany? Compulsory. They have a secret alliances are there. They formed as a group. That is why the Germany is immediately supported to the Austria. So when the Germany is supported to the Austria, then immediately the Russia is supported to the Serbia. Russia is supported to the Serbia. Afterwards, Russia is alliance with the France and Britain. France is also awaiting to take a revenge on the Germany. Now chances there came. Why means in the 1871, when the Germany was defeated the France, that time two regions were taken over by the Germany, I told to you children. That is why here is, France is waiting to take a revenge on the Germany. Thus, here is one after one, which are the big countries are there, superpowers are there. They are all involved in this is a war. Then it is what are the colonies are there? What are the colonies are occupied by these countries, these great powers? They are also involved. For example, Britain colonized India. India also participated. Britain colonized Africa. Africa also participated. Namibia. Like their colonies are also here is involved in this is a war. Thus here is it is a war is really a world war. This is the immediate cause. Understood everyone, children? So what we have been learned here is the world between the world wars. The world between the world wars. That means between the 1914 to 1945, two wars are there here is to be taken place. World between the two world wars. And in this is a war. So war defeated, war got victory means here is, so what is allied powers are here is got victory. Allied powers are here is got victory. And which is the central powers are the central powers means Germany, yes, now Austria, Turkey, like these are the countries are here is called as a what is the central powers. Allied powers means France, Russia and Britain. These are the countries are here is called what is allied powers. You know, children, Russia gave a support here is to the Serbia, but due to its internal crisis in the 1917, a Russian revolution is to be taken place. That is why the Russia in the middle of the war, in the progress of the war, so it was withdrawn. When the Russia was withdrawn, immediately, which is the country was so joined in the war means the USA was joined in the war. Why USA was joined in the war? The USA commercial ships sunk by the German forces. USA commercial ships sunk by the Germans. That is why USA was involved. So behalf of what is France, Russia and Britain. Like it is a what is became a tinderbox. The world is became a tinderbox. Tensions are prevailed, and that is why these are the two groups are fought against each other and caused for the outbreak of what is First World War. Causes we have been studied here is aggressive nationalism. Next one, what is secret alliances, and then one what is here is militarism and Balkan politics. Immediate cause. One more is there here is children's imperialism. What is this is imperialism. Imperialism means, so every country is wanted to, these are the great powers are wanted to establish their sway, their authority, their rule over the colonies. Why? They have a capital, lot of capital is there. They wanted to invest over the colonies. Why? Colonies are safe for their investment. Colonies are provided a safe for their investment. That is why here is they wanted to occupy the colonies. In this manner, Germany, Italy, Austria, France, Russia and Britain. So these are all the countries are try to establish their control over the colonies, where the cheapest raw material is available, where the markets are available. So for such a colonies, they were always what is here is tried. Then this is the competition between these big powers. Can lead to the what is eneminess or cannot lead to the eneminess? Surely it is lead to the eneminess. Thus we can see aggressive nationalism, imperialism, militarism, Balkan politics, and also what is the immediate cause. These are all the causes for the outbreak of First World War. In the next class, in the next episode, we are going to discuss about that what are the results of the World War I.